Hi, my name is Alex CARLUCCI with GustanCho.com. Today we're going to talk about Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies and the mortgage underwriting guidelines when you have those two situations. So let's start with the Chapter 7. If you have a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and it was discharged January of 2020, you have to wait until January of 2024. That's 4 years before you can apply for a conventional loan. Now, when it comes to FHA, you only have to wait 2 years. So January of 2022, you can apply for an FHA loan. Now, we do have other types of options for other types of weird loans, but I'm not going to get into it. We're just talking about FHA and conventional today. But if you want to do conventional or FHA, you have to wait those amount of periods of time after your bankruptcy discharge. Now, remember, those waiting periods after bankruptcy are to make sure your payment history is on time during those payment times. So the 2 years after a bankruptcy discharge, FHA sees a late, the underwriter is going to automatically disqualify you. Very few cases can you get by with a late after a bankruptcy within that 2 year period on an FHA loan. Same with conventional. You're late after a Chapter 7, that 4 year waiting period means nothing. You probably have to wait 4 years from that late payment. So if you're late a year after your discharge, you gotta wait another 4 years after that probably. It's really a complex thing. Once you go bankrupt, they're looking for perfect payment behavior. Remember that. You were given a second chance, you blew out all your debt, and once it's discharged, you go right back to paying late. They look at you like, okay, this person has no regard for debt, no regard for creditors or banks, so they will deny your loan. So keep that in mind. Now, FHA and conventional on Chapter 13 is a little different. Let's go with conventional. If you were discharged on a Chapter 13, it's only a 2 year waiting period for a conventional loan. Now when it comes to FHA, this is great. A year into the Chapter 13, you can get a mortgage. So while you're in the 13, while you're still making payments on your Chapter 13, you are eligible for mortgage after 1 year of paying your Chapter 13 on time. All the way until 2 years after its discharge, you're a manual underwrite. After the 2 year discharge date, you become a regular FHA loan. So the conventional and FHA regular are the same amount of waiting period, 2 years from discharge. But a manual, you can do it from the 1 year into it to up to 2 years after its discharge as a manual underwrite. So keep that in mind. We specialize in manual underwriting guidelines here. So give us a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. It helps us help you. Thank you very much.